The unsung heroes of life on Earth, creatures who have built an invisible world just beneath the surface. They are the masters of organization, hiding a great system within their tiny bodies. Ants. Ants belong to the Formicidae family and are social insects. To date, around 14,000 species have been discovered, and that number continues to grow. They live in nearly every part of the world, from tropical rainforests to deserts, from cracks in urban sidewalks to deep underground colonies. An ant colony can contain anywhere from thousands to millions of individuals. All are part of the same genetic family, living in complete task distribution and harmony. At the heart of the colony is the queen ant. Her only role is to lay eggs. Usually, there is a single queen in a colony, and she can live up to 20 years. The worker ants are her daughters. They protect her, feed her, and ensure the continuation of the colony. Worker ants are female but sterile. They carry the entire burden of the colony. They search for food, care for the larvae, expand the tunnels, and nourish the queen. In some species, there are also soldier ants. These are larger in size with powerful mandibles, assigned to defend the colony against intruders. Male ants are born solely for mating. These flying males die shortly after mating with a queen. But how do ants communicate in such massive numbers? The answer lies in pheromones. Ants communicate by leaving chemical trails in their environment. When a worker ant finds a food source, it leaves a pheromone trail on the path. Other ants follow this trail, and a feeding line is formed. This creates a kind of collective intelligence. An individual ant may not think on its own, but as a group, they display extraordinary organizational ability. Some species possess characteristics that stretch the limits of imagination. For example, leaf-cutter ants cut pieces of leaves and carry them to their nests, not to eat them, but to cultivate fungus. Yes, ants are farmers. Their defense mechanisms are equally diverse. Some ants spray formic acid at their enemies, others fight to the death. In particular, Paraponera clavata, known as the bullet ant, which lives in the Amazon rainforest, delivers one of the most painful stings in the animal kingdom. It is one of the most venomous insects in the world. Ants do more than just survive. They work for the balance of ecosystems. They aerate soil, disperse seeds, and clean up animal remains. They are the silent regulators of nature. And perhaps the most fascinating fact, certain fungi can enter an ant's brain and take control of it. This zombie ant phenomenon reveals both the beauty and brutality of nature. In conclusion, ants are not merely insects. They are the symbol of order, of system, of civilization. They may be invisible, they may be silent, but they are the hidden architects holding the world together.